Turtle Wax Wet and Black Trim and Tire Gel is an all-in-one treatment that restores faded tires and trims back to their original, rich, deep black appearance. The water-resistant formula, with its proprietary blend of silicones and solvents, delivers amazing durability and ensures that the deep, rich shine lasts for weeks, even in the harshest of weather conditions. Thanks to its blended UV inhibitors, your surfaces are also protected from future drying, fading, and cracking. This viscous gel formula offers maximum cling and easy non-drip application. Just apply and leave to dry for a quick, high shine. Suitable for all exterior plastic trims, rubber, vinyl, and tires. Turtle Wax Wet and Black Trim and Tire Gel brings your trim and tires back to life while delivering wet, high shine that'll last through the harshest of conditions.